Kasorkar Jylla kalapan dikena ban ai jingkersan Iakynduh song jongka Manipur kibasyong basa hakanong ba Shillong. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ulai Iakynduh Nongialam jongka Hmar community bat ka Kuki community jongka Manipur kibasyong basa hakanong ba Shillong. Kita dekot kila penpau ya ke jingsngo kuslai jongki halor ke jingja ka balaja Manipur. Bat kilapan ya ke jingarap na kasorkar Jylla bakan simkia. Haba penpau halor ke jingja ulo ong ba kum kini ki jingja dei bani mirjing mutlang bat na kaliang jong ka sorkar Jylla kan yale kat bala ban wanra ya ka syongsuk syongsan knang ban kenjo syakathong.
Wherever the family members of anybody, any family members of any of the Kuki families or the families who are coming to Shillong to be with their family during these difficult times, if there can be any way the government can give support. So we have asked Deputy Commissioner to look into that matter. And they've also asked us to take up some of the issues and concerns with the central government as a political party. So those things also, I'll be going to Delhi soon. So whenever I get the opportunity, definitely I'll take up the matter.